Yes, students, today we'll start with the topic of grammar, unit 9, the preposition. No. Yes, today we will start with the topic preposition, right? Unit 9. So now there is no need to take out your book of grammar, right? You first of all listen to me. Okay? First of all, let me make you clear the concept of preposition. So you all have to sit attentively. So yes, now before starting it, I think so you all feel that this topic of preposition is very easy. You know what is the meaning of preposition? Yes, Anish, which words? Yes. Palika, can you tell me? But what is a preposition? Yes, वो conjunction है. Yes, who will tell me what is the meaning of preposition? Yes, online students, type a few examples of preposition in chat box. Yes, Angel. For example, which words we can use as preposition? Okay, the cat is under the table. She gave us one example like the cat is under the table. Right? Listen, first of all. This is the very first sentence, and here we have this word under. Yes. I think so. You all have done in your previous classes also. Yes. The words like in, on, at, under, below, above, right? Yes, on. So all these words they are known as preposition. अगर आपको वैसे लगेगा कि this is a very easy concept, we can easily fill in and on, right? But when I give you any assignment or any exercise, then maybe you'll get confused कि मैम यहाँ पे in आएगा कि inside आएगा, right? My ring fell, right? Dash the river. If I give you two options, in the river or into the river? Into the river. Why not in the river? Who will tell me? Yes. Somewhere you are right, but yes, you just sit down. Good try. Yes, from outer to inside, right? When we have so many, we can say that anything which is going from outside to the inside. Like जो मेरी ring है वो बाहर से कह रहे हैं ना river में गई है. So that's why I use into, not the in. So these are the basics that you must know. क्योंकि जब आपके पास options आते हैं ना, moreover in your PT3 as I told you earlier also, we have the concept of MCQs. Right, in MCQs, if I give you any one sentence and if I say कि choose the appropriate option or choose the appropriate preposition for this sentence, तो आपको in, into हो सकता है both, none of the above में से both भी आपको सही लगे, in और into दोनों हो सकते हैं, but you must have you know the clarity of the concept कि where what is the meaning of and what is the meaning of into and where we have to use all these words. Okay, so now let's start with the preposition. So first of all, tell me, let me tell you preposition. Prep. Let me split this word into two parts: prep plus position. Right? Prep. Pre means to say like before, and position you all know that the place. So here we can say that the words that are used with the nouns or the pronouns, right? The words that we use with the nouns, और भी अगर हम इसकी जगह कोई pronoun भी तो ले सकते थे, जैसे नहीं, the cat is here a noun. Again, the table is also here the noun, and this under word, shows a relation between these two nouns. Am I clear? The definition of preposition is clear to all? Yes. So we can say that, beta, the words that are used with the nouns or the pronouns to show their relation with another object, element in the sentence, it is known as preposition. Am I clear? So we have, like if I say, let me take one more example. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. So now here we have the book is a noun and the table is also a noun, and this on word is a preposition which we can say that shows a relation between the two nouns or between the objects, right? Am I clear? The meaning of preposition is clear to you? अब आपको सबको थोड़ा flashback हो गया होगा, mind fresh brush up हो गया होगा कि you, I think so, did in your second or third class also simple prepositions you have already done in, at, we can say that down, under, outside, inside, right? So this is the very first thing. Okay, so now let me tell you one more thing, कि prepositions are always followed by a noun, okay, or we can say that sometimes with a pronoun also, and noun phrase, never by verb. Preposition verb के साथ नहीं follow होती, it is always followed by noun, pronoun somewhere, and noun phrase. You know what is the meaning of noun phrase? Who will tell me what is the meaning of noun phrase? Yes, online students, each and every concept is clear? Okay, like if I say we visited the job calls during, right, the summer holidays. So here, who will tell me the preposition? Where is the preposition? Yes, Harsh? During. During is a preposition. So here we can say that the summer holidays is a noun phrase. The noun होता है वो तो simple है. You all know what is the meaning of noun. Like in this sentence we have table, right? Again we have table. मेरे को याद नहीं लगा, change कर दूँ. So we can say that. So here the summer holidays. So this is the noun phrase. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. So now, beta, we use the prepositions for what? To show the place. Number one, right? Where something happens, and we use the prepositions to show the time. Okay? When some things happen, a preposition की usage पे आते हैं कि where we use the preposition. First of all, we use the preposition for the place. Place means where, right? And then we use preposition as time, like when something happens. Okay, and there are some other uses of the prepositions also. So when we have the usage of the simple preposition, like simple preposition, as I told you earlier also, you already have done in your previous classes, like in, on, at, under, below, ये हमारे पास simple prepositions होती हैं, right? जो simple prepositions होती हैं, basically we use them for the location, for the time, and for the place, right? Like the dog is hiding behind the tree. So here we have this word, we can say that behind is a preposition. So here we know about the place, right? So now one more thing introduced in your syllabus is of the, we can say that the compound preposition. What is the meaning of compound preposition? Ikatti, or we can say that formed by modifying of the verbs. Okay. Can I raise the board up to this mark? If anybody has any question or any doubt, you can ask me. Clear? Okay. So now let me tell you for the kinds of preposition, right? So the very first one is simple. There is no need to write. Actually, we have total 5 kinds, but up to your level, we will discuss only the 3 kinds of prepositions, right? The very first one is a simple preposition. Right? And then we have the compound preposition. What is the meaning of compound preposition? Right? What is the meaning of compound preposition? Like जिनको कि हम थोड़ा सा modify कर देते हैं, जो words जो हैं वो modify हो जाते हैं another words के साथ आके. Like if we say below, along, across, outside, between. So all these words, they are known as the compound prepositions. Without. So after that, we can say along, below, and on. And the third type is phrase. Right? So this one is important and new for you, maybe phrase preposition. What is the meaning of phrase? I have already tell you now. Simple prepositions, examples, compound prepositions and phrase prepositions. Phrase means to say कि एक तरह के साथ हम as a group of words में prepositions को use करते हैं. And here we have one simple preposition which we combine with a few, one or two group of words. So it is known as the phrase preposition. Like in spite of, in front of, on the behalf of. तो जो ये words होते हैं, they are known as a phrase preposition. Clear? Am I clear to all? Yes. So we can say that the words like in front of, sorry, far away, okay, on account of, yes, far away and all that. So instead of, right, in spite of, all these words, they are known as a phrase prepositions. Clear? So all the 3 kinds are clear to you. So now, when we, yes, I am explaining you, wait, तो just एक introduction has for the chapter, for the prepositions. Now clear each and every, there is no need to write anything, you just have to listen first, right? So now beta, as I told you, कि when we have the prepositions as a place, so the words like upon, it's already mentioned in your book also, the words like upon, on, down, under, outside and inside we use, because all these words indicates us place. And when we are talking about the position, position means to say कि कोई person जो है वो मतलब कैसे है, कहाँ पे है. Like if I say जब Jeet is sitting between what is the name, Lipika and Harnoor, Like, so here I am defining the place of Japji. So that's why I use between, right? Between, against, among, opposite. And after that, if we have to talk, if we are talking about the direction, like though, after, up, across. So all these words, they show us the position, place and the direction. So according to sentence formation, जो भी आपकी sentence के एक sense बन रही होगी, first of all you have to see कि इसमें हम किस चीज की बात कर रहे हैं, right? Here we are talking about the direction, or here we are talking about the place, or here we are talking about the position. Then you have to choose one appropriate word according to it. Otherwise आप लोग वही बात है कि position और place को लेके भी confuse हो सकते हो. Am I clear? So next one is preposition that is made up of the groups. As I already told you, it's about the phrase preposition. So we can say that next to, up to, all over, on the top of. So all these are the phrase prepositions, right? So now, how we have to use this phrase preposition? So what is the meaning of, tell me, on the behalf of? On the behalf of. Yes, on the behalf of. Yes, it is a phrase preposition, but what is the meaning? अभी तक हमने इंट्रोडक्शन कर ली, आपको सिंपल prepositions पता है, आपको कंपाउंड preposition के मीनिंग्स भी क्लियर है, क्योंकि आपको जब वर्ड का मीनिंग क्लियर होगा ओनली देन यू नो ना कि हमने उसको यूज कैसे करना है. Which option is correct? So now we are talking about the phrase preposition. तो phrase preposition में आपको phrases के meaning clear होने चाहिए, right? अगर मैं बोलूं in addition to, so let's start with the in addition to. सबसे easy example phrase से शुरू करते हैं. What is the meaning of in addition to? Suppose you did something wrong at your home, right? And your mother starts scolding you. वो आपके इतना कुछ बोलने जा रहे हैं, कहीं जा रहे हैं, आप भी बस अपने मम्मा को सुनी जा रहे हो हेड डाउन करके, इतना कुछ बोल के. कई बार आप सबके साथ ऐसे होता होगा. क्या करते हैं आपके मदर्स? थोड़ा पॉज लेके ये कहते हैं, इसके अलावा तो ये भी नहीं करता, ये भी नहीं करती. So means in addition to. Am I clear? And what is the meaning of on the behalf of? Yes. Yes, किसी की जगह पे. Can you tell me one example? On the behalf of. She is on behalf of me. She is on behalf of me. What? She is on behalf of me. Yes. She plays the role of princess on behalf of me. Yes, she is playing the role of princess on behalf of me. Right? On the behalf of her, I am receiving this award. कोई भी award का आप name mention कर सकते हैं. So I hope the basic meaning of preposition is clear to all. So yes, students, if we are talking about exercise 1, okay, on page number 35. If you have grammar book, then take it out. If you don't have, then there is no need to worry. You just have to listen me. Okay. So let's have a discussion. Let's have a discussion on very exercise 1. So beta, fill in the blanks with the prepositions that indicate place, position or direction. It means here we are talking about only the simple and the compound prepositions, right? So already the words are given to you. The words are among, above, round, against, across, in, after, on, beside, over. Clear? Yes. So now we have the very first sentence is, he hung the picture dash the fireplace. Wait a minute. Let me write all the words on the board so that those students who are without books, they may find it somewhere easy. So in the very page 35 for exercise 1, we have the words among, above, round, against, across, after, beside, over. Each and every word is clear to all? Is there any word, if you don't know the meaning of that particular word, then you can ask me. Okay. So let's start. Yes, let's start with you, Anish. He hung the picture dash the fireplace. What do you think, students? Over is correct answer? Yes. How? Why not above the fireplace? So these words are clear to you, na? Yehi clarity agar hogi only, then you are able to pick the correct option. Otherwise, if you have 4 options, na, then you feel ki all are similar. अगर मैं आपको दे दूं over, above, on, at. Suppose you have this same sentence in front of you. He hung the picture dash the fireplace. Okay, and 4 options are over, at, on, और एक मैंने क्या बोला था आपको? Above. So many of you do wrong. Many of you. What is the meaning of above? कितना ऊपर? लाइक कि जैसे हम कहते हैं कि जो हमारे पास जो बलून्स फ्लाई करते हैं, राइट, जो या जो एरोप्लेन है, वो है above the sky. Yes. So this is the difference between above and over. So you people are not supposed to write down the answer. This is the journal discussion. First of all, let me make you clear the difference between the words. क्योंकि मैंने आपको पहले ही कहा था जब हम इस कॉन्सेप्ट को स्टडी करते हैं, all feel कि this is very easy. But when we have to take the correct option ना, तो आपको लगता है ये सही है या ये सही है, right? So now the difference between over, above is clear? Yes. Sure? Yes. Can I ask to anyone? Yes. Okay, Naman, tell me once again. Yes, online students, concept is clear, beta? Yes. Over means to say उस fireplace के मतलब ऊपर, right? And above means to say कि जो एक तरह के साथ थोड़ी position जो है वो little bit height पे हो जाती है. So there is a new mall. So don't write answer. Just have a discussion. No, there no need to write an answer. There is a new mall dash the street. There is a new mall dash the street. Yes, online students, will you answer in chat box? Yes, Aisha. Across the street. Okay. We have in the street भी तो हो सकता था. Beside the street हो सकता था. चलो beside तो totally थोड़ा awkward हो गया, but little bit. Why not in the street? There is a new mall in the street. So what do you think? What is the answer? Okay. So students, thank you. That's all from my side.